Maurice Green, your senior credit coach. And today's question is, what are the best ways to fix your credit? Great question. Absolutely great question. And I say that because I love the word fix versus repair. Okay, we restore credit, so that's I can live with that. Okay, there are several approaches. We even have 3 different programs that you can go through to accomplish the goal of restoring your credit, building it back, or building it for the first time. Let me say this, that everyone's situation is absolutely different. So one plan might be effective for you, the other plan might be over effective, and one person might not need one plan or the other. So it's kind of hard to tell you what's best without actually evaluating or having the opportunity to look at your credit report to determine the best way. I believe, if I had to sum it up, I believe the best way to restore your credit or fix your credit is actually through a professional, someone that does this on a daily living, that knows the games that the Bureau plays. They know how to appropriate and put the right law that's required based on the situation that's being challenged by the bureaus. So the best way to do it, in my professional opinion, is get a professional. Okay, and on that note, click the link below. Call the 800 number for a free consultation, so you can get more information from us that will help you make a good quality decision regarding your credit. Okay? Have a great day. Maurice Green. See you guys next time. Goodbye.